Daniel, down here, now!
But he keeps locking me out. I didn't know what to do.
His sister called police in tears, and when officers arrived, he's upstairs and he's acting a bit off.
Like, sit down. I'll take you to the hospital right now, dude. Get in here. Work hard. Taser!
And somewhere in those 15 minutes, a family problem becomes a felony case, and if you watch close enough, you can identify the exact moment where it happened. Let's rejoin this one from Bodycam Ninja.
All right, what happened?
He came back and we didn't want him to come in, so we said, we'll put some stuff out for you. We were going to give him money to go get a hotel and whatever. Sure. He kicked down the front door, and she is petrified. Okay. So,
where's he at? Okay. The front door looks okay. What do you mean he kicked it down?
Yeah,
he kicked it open.
I don't know if he broke it, but he kicked it. It was locked.
Okay. All right. Where's he at in the house?
He must be upstairs.
Hey, Daniel?
Yo. Dude, I gotta take a shower.
Come here.
Look, I had no choice but
Get
to
down
do
here
that.
now.
I literally have to take a shower.
I don't really care. I said get down here right now. Down here.
I'll go.
Down here now.
Look, I gotta get a sweater
No.
on. It's cold.
Let's
Okay,
go.
Fine, I'll go.
Walk down here.
I don't want you to touch me.
Then you start walking, or
I'll
I'll
walk
start
with you.
dragging.
Let's go.
Come on. Get down here.
Come on. Let's sit and talk. No, that guy locks me out.
Okay.
I
First
had
of all,
no choice but to do that.
I said to come downstairs. You're not listening.
Dude, listen.
Okay?
I'm listening.
Let's
I
go.
had no choice but to do that.
No, you didn't. You did have a choice. Now
I
come
can't
down
go to
here
the
and sit on the
hospital.
chair.
I don't have income, dude.
Okay.
They're sending me bills.
Okay.
Like that. Like I'll go fix it with my dad. I'll go with him to the store. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I'll literally.
Why don't you stop acting like
there's
this?
a lot going on.
Okay.
Okay. They keep locking me out.
Exactly.
I didn't even go
Hold
out
on.
with
Look
like
at me.
proper
When
clothing.
I left here, you said you were walking and you were going to the gym.
I couldn't even
You
get there.
You just kicked the door in on the house. That's
Because
not normal
they kept
action.
saying I can't be home.
Okay.
They kept saying I can't go back to no homeless. I don't even have a f***ing ride to a homeless shelter.
So now you're acting irrational,
No, I'm
like
not.
they said.
No, I'm not. I had to do that, man.
No, you did
like,
not.
I literally had
no,
to
you
take-
didn't have to. That's what they call irrational actions.
No,
okay?
well,
so why did you do that?
I did it because he locked the door, and I need to be inside. I need to take a shower. My back's all itchy, man. I got like Lyme disease. Like
I don't care what disease you got. You come down and sit on this chair right now and start listening to me, or otherwise I'm going to drag you down these stairs.
Dude, that's please
No,
don't.
I'm telling you, you're not listening. Come sit over here.
What?
Get off the stairs and start listening to what you say, or otherwise I'm pulling you down. Okay, you don't want me to touch you. I'm giving you the opportunity to be an adult.
Listen, we're talking here.
All right.
Like, is that a threat? Dude, I'm going with you. Please don't touch me.
Stand up
Please,
and start walking
seriously, don't touch me.
downstairs.
Okay,
Start walking
you first.
downstairs.
You first.
No, we've already gone through this. You're going to
Dude,
start moving.
I don't want you to touch me.
I'm going to start touching you.
Daniel,
Let's go.
Daniel.
Dude, I'm gonna meet you guys down.
No,
Daniel.
I'll go
You're not
to
listening.
jail. I'd rather go to jail than to the hospital. Because in jail, like, they didn't.
Okay, we'll talk about that.
Okay,
right now.
okay, then come down
we're
here.
talking on the stairs.
Talk outside
Come on.
then.
Okay, so start listening. I gave you the opportunity. Come off the stairs.
Like, that guy, like,
Just make it
he's
easy.
been making my life so hard.
They're doing a really good job at showing patience, giving him opportunity because there's strength in numbers and he's got a sliver of rationality about him.
Father, and you live in his house. Let's be honest here, okay?
But he keeps locking me out.
Well-
How am I supposed to live here if he keeps locking me out?
That's not normal.
I didn't know what to do.
You could have called us.
For what?
Well, that's a
I
problem.
mean, now I have to go help the guy fix it.
You have to tell me. I'm asking you
Like,
to come down off the
I'd rather
stairs.
just go.
Come on, two
go
more
to
steps.
Home Depot,
Come over here.
Help this guy fix it.
Come over here.
Come on, just sit over here. Why do you gotta make this so much more difficult than it needs to be? Come on. We're here because your sister called us screaming and crying on the phone.
You got two more steps, or I'm gonna have to
Come on.
take your wrist and I'm gonna have to touch it.
Dude,
come on.
look, my sister is making like a lot of claims, dude.
Well, that's a fact.
This isn't helping.
Look, I can't
You can't listen?
You know what's not helping is you guys being here, man.
Well, we wouldn't be here if we weren't called to be here. We wouldn't be called to be here if you weren't acting this way. So start putting that together.
It's not helping. Why are you opening the door?
Like the sergeant's there.
Come on.
Okay, dude. Let's just talk outside.
Yeah,
I don't.
well, let's go talk
Please
outside.
don't touch me. Please do not.
Fine, let's go.
PTSD for this. Seriously, let's just go for a walk. Seriously,
You can't even make it down 4
I'm
steps.
walking. Do not touch me, please.
Then stand.
Seriously,
No,
please don't.
sit on the chair right here. This is all I've asked of you.
It's like seriously.
Sit down.
What do you guys want to know?
What happened?
This guy, they've been locking me out. They say I have the right to. What's up, Officer Bazinski?
No.
Dude,
What is going on? What is your f***ing problem?
why are you coming at me with issues, man?
Sit
These
down.
people locked me out. They said I live here.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
This young man is probably on medication and doesn't maintain his medications because the mental illness kicks his ass sometimes and tells him, no, you're fine. You don't need that medicine. And so he feels fine. And then he stops taking the medicine and then he doesn't act fine.
Playing your stupid games. You know exactly what you're doing.
I'm not playing
games.
anything, dude.
Sit down.
I literally live
Sit
here.
down or you're going to the hospital.
Dude, just, like, can you take it?
You're not telling me a goddamn thing. Sit down.
Okay, can you just make
Sit
sure not
down.
to touch me, dude?
Sit down, dude.
Like,
Sit
seriously.
down. I'll take you to the hospital right now, dude.
Get in here.
Work hard. Let go of him. Let go of him. Let go of him. Let go of him. I got him. Oh, wait. All right, I'm going. Stop or you're getting tased. Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now.
Chill, just let me up, man.
Put your hands up.
Please lay in the chokehold.
Now it's a please and let me up. And you lost all your negotiating power when you took a right hook, when you swung your right hand.
Get a set of cuffs.
1120, your status?
Get a set of cuffs. Some more are okay. Get 2 more over.
Dude.
Are you done? Stop.
Yes, I'll go with.
Stop. Oh, you're going to jail now, dummy. Put your legs out.
1702, your
Let go of my
status?
hand. Stop it right now. The other way. Taser. Let's get it back. Taser.
16 round to him.
Let go.
Stop. Thank you.
Stop. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Can you
Stop.
Can I stand? Do I have
You're
to
gonna get some cuffs. Put your hand. Turn around.
Okay, I'm standing. I'm gonna
Turn on your stomach. Turn around and get on your stomach and get tased again.
Just let me stand.
Hands on your head. Hands on your head.
No, dude. I'm going.
You got cuffs.
I'll go. Dude, let's go.
I'm trying to take him to the cuffs.
I'll go.
If you'll notice in the background, you'll hear the radio dispatcher saying, hey, what's your status? What's your status? And when they're not answering, they kind of can't answer because they're trying to engage in dialogue with these people. But the dispatcher doesn't know that. The dispatcher can't see that. And that's the whole point of them checking on them. If they're not answering, that means they're probably in trouble and in distress. And the rest of the officers start heading that way until they can hear from somebody on the inside.
Can I please contact my probation officer? Tell her this
Give me
is
your hands. Give me your hand or you're getting tased again.
Dude.
Hand or tase the guy. I'm gonna tase you right now.
Okay.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Okay. Stop. Stop right now.
Can we get out of this?
Stop right now. Stop.
Trying to hurt me, dude.
Stop.
Where am I table?
Daniel, stop
ain't right.
resisting, sir.
Okay, I'm not resisting. I'll go.
Put your hands
I'm
behind your
going.
back.
I'm going.
Stop resisting,
We're
sir.
going. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready. I need this. I need sandals. Let's go.
Put your hands behind your back.
They are in front. They're cuffed.
behind
I
your
can't.
back.
They're cuffed. I can't.
They're en route.
Okay.
Stop. Get on the ground. All right. Get on the ground right now. I'm gonna hit you in the face. Down. On your knees.
I thought
On your knees.
Okay.
Get on the fucking ground.
Get on the ground. We're going to jail.
On your knees and get down on the ground.
What are you guys doing?
Stop. This is America. Somebody hold his legs.
Hey.
John's got his head. I got his head. I'm gonna go get chances on your front. Stop!
Okay, he keeps claiming, I'm not resisting. He's fighting with every ounce of muscle he has in his entire body. And they have him handcuffed in the front, which is an advantage because now he can't really get anywhere. You're only having to control, the 2 hands, basically. They also probably need some kind of hobble if he doesn't calm down, but that might come later.
Stop, or you're gonna get tased again,
This ain't
sir.
right.
You're under arrest.
Okay. Can we go peacefully?
No, stop.
Okay, I'm peaceful.
No, you're not.
Seriously, just trust.
No,
Trust.
you're under arrest.
I understand. You guys have me in a detainment.
The last time we trusted you, you took a swing at the sergeant, nonetheless.
Like seriously. Officer Stanley, what do I do in this?
10-4. Set a tasing
I want you
custody.
to roll over. If you don't roll over, I'm going to tase you again. You understand me?
Can we just go outside?
Yes. Roll over on your stomach.
lift me and carry me out or
Yes,
what?
your hands are going behind your back. Your hands are going behind your back.
me first. It's
But you need to roll on your stomach and put your hands out towards that basket.
Can you uncuff me first,
Not until you do that.
Dude, my fucking radio's on South Suburban Major Crimes Task Force. Dude, I got fucking knocked out in the face.
Guys, keep it down. That was
Where did he kick you?
right in the face. I blacked out.
Seriously,
So one officer got kicked in the face. The other officer is reevaluating, and his radio got switched to another channel. That's something that's happened to me specifically. That happens all the time. When you're running after somebody or you're fighting with somebody, tussling with somebody, your the channel gets changed. It's just one of those like design flaws in the radio systems. You can make them lock, but if you make them lock, then you're unable to change the channel when you need to change the channel also.
Like, I'm waiting to get up. I thought you guys
you're not getting up right now. You're dumb. What the was the point of that shit?
Grab this arm and help Jeremy bring it
No,
down.
make sure you can have one on my radio.
Hold that arm. Don't you fucking move, I swear to God. What? Stop! Okay, stop right now.
10-4, I copy.
Or you're getting tased again. You understand me?
Fucking hit him with it. I'm gonna hit him with it. I'm gonna fucking tase you if you don't stop.
Stop right now.
Fucking relax.
It's over. You put those fucking hands out flat right now, or you're taking a ride on the taser again. Do you understand me,
You
sir?
guys got a lot of weight on my back, though.
We're gonna wait for Shaq.
Murray, go get the shackles from fucking.
Stop fucking moving, dude.
You're gonna get fucking tased again.
Where are his arms? Where are his arms?
They're handcuffed already. They're handcuffed already.
Are they in the front or the back?
Front.
Stop. Stop.
Watch out for blood, guys. Hey, guys, watch out for blood. All over his shoulders, legs. Hey, are you bleeding? Are you bleeding? No, I'm not. No, that's from his tongue.
Dude, who's pushing down my leg?
All right. Get it. Move your leg. Move your leg. Sterling, move your leg.
Please.
Come on, man.
Who's on Brian's side? I need ambulance. I need ambulance.
We got it on the fucking way. You gotta relax first.
I promise you. That was. I'm sorry.
All right, family, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3.
I'm sorry. Stop.
You gotta get his hands back.
I gotta spit food in my mask. Guys, it's in my left front pocket. No. Throw it on the new vest. It's lower left pocket. This is down here? Yes, zipper.
All right. Hey, no, wait. Ryan, move. Ryan, move. I got it. Go.
Dad, I have no choice. Put him on the ground.
Put him on the ground.
Go over the fucking ground.
Taser! Stop it or you're going. Stop it or you're getting a ride again. Give the officers your arm. Hold up. Give them your arm or you're getting another ride with a taser.
I appreciate you subscribing here, but the deeper true crime dive from the first call to the final verdict is on my other channel. That's called the Comm Center. The link is in the description.
I want to. We gotta try to get hands on that. Yeah. All right. Give them your hands.
Guys,
Make sure you have legs first.
peacefully.
Stop. We're good.
Go 2-on-1. Go 2-on.
He's trying to get up, guys.
It's fine.
Keep your knee. Someone lay on his head.
I'm in here, Darren.
All right. I'm stuck.
I'm in here.
Hey, get off. Get off. Get the f off me.
Murray.
I don't need split matches. No, I'm not.
Murray.
Tony, watch your
I have his right arm down. Don't bite.
Don't bite him.
You're gonna get tased again.
You're gonna get tased again. Stop it.
All right, we're done. I just don't want the thing out. Okay. All right. Don't bite. Don't bite.
I'm not gonna bite you, man.
What are you doing? You just tried.
Dude,
Stop biting me. Give me your hand then. Put your hand towards
my
me.
hand is in a cuff.
Got that arm? Got that arm. Bring your second arm. Ready?
Not bad, dude. I'm literally under cuffs. Like, let's just get out of this situation. Just help.
I got
You guys are supposed to be truthful officers. Like, you took a badge. You took an oath.
Shut the
Dude.
Can someone give me some water?
Yeah, we will in a second, all right?
Like I didn't want this. I don't.
Do you think that those officers, the 7 officers standing right there, wanted this? Is that what you think? So this is the face of mental illness in a sense. There are people that just disconnect from reality from moment to moment.
So what? So are,
What do you mean you didn't want this? You punched a fucking sergeant in the face and then kicked my partner.
dude, well, you guys can't. Just stop. Hey, relax. I didn't mean to cuss.
Yeah, the guy in the background is saying, hey, that's enough. We don't need to engage in this conversation anymore. He's disconnected from reality. He's humiliated enough. Like, let's just get him to the hospital or whatever we're going to do.
Yeah, like I've been trying to go active duty. You guys know that, like, with something. You know, it's like, I'm not trying to fight no more. Okay? Like I don't. That was up. I'll admit. No, that was up. It's like I need some water.
Up there?
Can I get some, like, water in my mouth?
Give him
Like, I
your
don't.
hand for a second,
like,
just on the one
No,
side.
that's not what I want.
But that's got to happen.
Okay.
Otherwise, we're going to have
Dude.
to tase you and touch you again, and we don't want to do that.
Seriously?
I know.
Wait, like, what the?
You should ask yourself that question on the way there.
Like, I don't. Like, I want to chill. I'm glad I'm not dead. Okay, like.
And, yeah, what the
We have no pictures, but
So a lot of times what happens in cases like this is they'll deal with the criminal charge first. He swung or connected with the sergeant, first of all, like, phew, and then he kicked somebody in the head. You know, the officer claims they lost, you know, they blacked out for a second. He was charged with multiple counts of aggravated battery on an officer and multiple counts of resisting arrest. Those are charges, they're not convictions. It's a case that appears to still be open. The call came in as a locked door. It didn't end there.